So just like you need sunscreen in the summer, your car could use the same to help keep temperatures low and not damage the interior of your Jeep. Now today we're going to be checking out this Covercraft UVS100 Sunscreen for your Jeep Wrangler JL, and its custom fit design that's designed to fit perfectly on 18 and 19 Jeep Wranglers. Now this is constructed out of a super durable material that features almost a 98% UV blockage on the front. On the inside of this, it features a nice felt lining, which means that it won't damage your dash, and surround there nice and tightly, meaning you can get it right to the front of your windshield. Now I know a lot of you guys probably have doubts on these. You've seen some of them in cars in the parking lots. However, I've got to tell you that this thing is a must-have if you leave your top and doors on your Jeep Wrangler and let it sit out in the sun. Now, some of you guys that live in some hotter temperatures, 100 degrees plus, you know that the inside of your vehicle is one of the first things to get damaged by the sun. Up here in the north, our vehicles rust out. Down south, the interiors of them get sun faded. Now this is going to protect the interior of your JL. I can see this working if you're an overlander or like to sleep in the back of your Jeep. It's going to help you lower temperatures in the morning when that sun is trying to blast in. Now I'm going to show you guys how it looks in the front end of our 2018 JL. Let's get started. Now all you got to do is unfold it. Then the top section here is going to be the cutout for your rear view mirror. That way if you want to drive with this on, you can only go in reverse. That's a tight fit. Well guys, that's just how easy it is to install this Covercraft UVS100 Sunscreen for your Jeep Wrangler. Overall, it turns out really nice, plus it's going to dramatically lower the temperatures in the inside of your JL Wrangler. It folds up nice and compact at about 15 by 7 inches and only about an inch thick, so it's really compact and easy to set into the back of your Jeep. Now if you want to find this as well as many other great summer accessories for your JL Wrangler, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.